Okay, see here, this is the third question and the last one. Last question of last exercise and the whole chapter completes. Okay, see here, third one. Ruhi travels, not Ruina. Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. To certain distance she travels by train, after which there is no train facility available, so she prefers to travel by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometer by train. This is the first part of the question. This is what is the condition they have given, and first of the question here starts with she takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train. This is total time taken 4 hours. 60 kilometers by train, and the remaining distance they are not given. We have to calculate what is the remaining distance. That is total distance they have given 300. You have to subtract 60. The remaining ones means 300 minus 60. How much it is? 240. So the remaining means 240. I'll write here for your understanding purpose. 240 kilometer is the remaining one. So 240 kilometer by bus. That is first part is over. First part of the question. Here begins the second part of the question. If she travels, the second one, 100 kilometers by train. In first case 60 kilometers by train. In second case 100 kilometers by train. And the remaining means what? Again here remaining. Total distance traveled is 300. But this time she has covered by 100 kilometers by train. What is the remaining one? Here remaining means 300. Here 300 minus 100. Minus 100. What is remaining one? 200. That is 200 kilometers. What she does? By bus she travels. Then how much time she takes? She takes 10 minutes. 10 minutes longer than what? 10 minutes longer means in earlier case, in the first case, 4 hours she takes to complete the 300 kilometers. But if this is the condition, 100 meters by train and 200 meters by bus, then she takes 10 minutes longer than 4 hours. That means what? 4 hours, 10 minutes she takes. This is what you have to understand. Is it clear? 4 hours, 10 minutes in the second case. Then find the speed of a train and also speed of a bus respectively. Hope the question is clear to you people, right? Okay. Now we see here. Let the speed of a train, because we have to find speed of train and also speed of bus. Therefore, what is asked, that only you have to assume. Let the speed of train is equal to x kilometer per hour. That means what? X is certain kilometer distance it shows. Certain kilometers, that is x. How much hour, that is hours, that is 1 hour. So x kilometers per hour is the speed of the train. Example, you know, 60 kilometer per hour means what? In 1 hour you can travel by bike, that is 60 kilometers. That is how we refer the speed. Now in the same way, let the speed of bus, let it be y kilometer per hour. Understood? Okay, then what is the total distance traveled? 300 kilometers is given here. 300 kilometers. Now in the second case, you see in the next part of it, time taken to travel 1 kilometer, because here 1 hour, how many kilometers? X kilometer, maybe 60, maybe 100, maybe 1000 also. We can't say, we don't know what is the value of x. So to travel x kilometer it takes 1 hour, but to travel 1 kilometer how many hours, or what is the time taken? That is 1 by x hours. Understood? In the same way, to travel 1 kilometer by bus is equal to 1 by y hours, because we have assumed it y kilometers per hour is the speed. Understood? So accordingly here 1 by y hours. Now what is the total time taken here in this case? 4 hours. Now these are the requirement where we have studied the question and noted the points, and we have assumed these two things. Now according to first part of the question, according to first part of the question, first part, of the question. Right, what is the first part of the question? You see here, first part of the question begins with here. She takes 4 hours, that is the total time. If she travels 60 kilometers, here you see, to travel 1 kilometer, 1 by x, that is by train. Here by bus. 60 kilometer by train, that means 60 into 1 by x. To travel 1 kilometer is, this is what is the time taken. But to travel 60 kilometers multiplied by 60. So 60 into 1 by x plus y plus, because they are given the total hours. And here, what is next here? By train, and remaining means how much? 240 by bus. That means it is 240 into bus means what? This is here, yes, this is what is the bus. 1 by y. 1 by y. So what is this total? Total hours is 4. Understood? 4 hours they have given, 4 hours total. That's why it is here. Plus is used. Now we have to simplify. How to simplify this equation? Let 1 by x is equal to, what is the value? 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to a, and 1 by y is equal to b. Now put 1 by x where it is appearing here in the equation as a, and 1 by y as b. Then again you go for simplification. Right? Okay. See here. Simplification. 60 into 1 by x means a, na? Therefore 60 into a, that is 60a. So 60a plus, here 1 by y means b, 240 into b is 240b. That means here it is 240b is equal to, what is this? 4. Now you can simplify this further by taking something which is common. We can even take 4 common, isn't it? Suppose we take 4 as a common part. What is the answer here? 4 ones are 4, 2 remain, 5 are. That means 15a plus, this is a, not 0. Here 24 means 4 6 are. Understood? And here 0 is here, this b is here, bracket complete is equal to 4. Now you can cancel these 4. That means 4 ones are, 4 ones are, isn't it? Now what is your ultimate equation? 15a plus 60b is equal to 1. This is what you have formulated the equation number 1. Understood? Using the information given in the first part of the question. Now using the second part of the question, we have to formulate the second equation. What is the second part of the question? We can write over here, according to second condition also you can write. According to second condition also is okay. Now what is the second condition here? Second condition is, if she travels 100 kilometers by train, here you see time taken to travel 1 kilometer is 1 by x. To travel 100 kilometer means 100 into 1 by x. That means here it is 100 into 1 by x plus y plus, because again total time is given as she takes 10 meter longer, that means 4 hours 10 minutes. So next one is here plus, next what they say, and the remaining means how much? Remaining I told you, here 100 you have to subtract from 300. So 300 minus 100 will give you 200 kilometers. That means here 200 into 1 by y, this is bracket complete, is equal to 4 hours and 10 minutes. Understood? This 10 minutes has to be written here and it has to be converted in hours. How to convert? Divided by 60. That means 4 integer 10 by 60. Simplify this. 0 0 cancelled. 6 4s are 24. Multiply these two. Add 1 to this answer. 6 4s are 24. Plus 1 is how much? This is 25 by 6 hours. This is what is final answer. Now this I will write it here. 100. What is 1 by x? 1 by x means a. That means put a plus 200. What is 1 by y? That is b is equal to 25 by 6. So this is I put in bracket. Multiply this. Both terms has to be multiplied by 6. Now I'll continue. Here. You see 100 into 6 is 600a. That means 600a plus 6 into 200 is 1200 plus 1200b is equal to, see we have taken out 6 over here, so remaining is 25. So this is 25. Again you can simplify this, taking out something common. Here 25 is there, you can take out 25 common or multiply each term by 25. That means here you see 25 is common. Here 25 2s are 50. 60 minus 50 how much? Remaining is 10 and plus this 0, 100. That means 25 4s are a. That means 24a plus here 25 4s are 100. 20 remain. One more 0, that means 200. 25 8s are 200 is equal to 25. This is 25 ones are 25 ones are. That means 24a plus 48b is equal to again 1. This is your second equation. Understood? First equation is this part. 15a plus 60b is equal to 1. Second equation. Now what we have to do? We have to solve these two equations by elimination method. Okay. Solving equation 1 and 2. Understood? Solving equation 1 and 2. So solving equation 1 and 2. You see, because of the space problem and try to accumulate, you see, accommodate the whole sum in one board or one stretch. I am just trying to do the same. But you don't do this. You have a long size book or even the notebook. What you do, one below the other only, systematically you just write down, so that when you refer back it will be easy for you. Don't draw the design that I am drawing over here, right? Okay. See here, solving equation 1 and 2. So what is equation number 1? 15a plus 60b 60b is equal to 1. Equation 2 is 24a. Again see, this line is coming obstructing me. I'll rub this and do this like this. Nice design, isn't it? Okay, fine. So 24a plus, what is equation 2 here? 48b is equal to again 1, right? Okay. Now here terms are not same. Again you have to cancel any one of the thing. Let me take this 15 and 24. Okay. So that means what happens? Multiply this by 24 and this by 50. Now here 24 into 50. 15 4s are 60. Carry over 6. 15 2s are 30 plus 6, 36. Understood? This is a plus 360a. 60 into 24. That means 6 into 24. 24 carry over to 12 plus 2, 14, and here 1 0 is there, that is 1440. That means 1440b is equal to 24 into 1 is 24. Now similarly 15 24s are, you see here 15 24s are 360, 15 24s are 360 a plus 48 into 15 you have to do 48 into 15, that means 15 8s are 120. So carry over 12. 15 4s are 60 plus 12 72. That means here 15 into 48, that is 720b is equal to 15 ones are 50. Now change the sign. That means this becomes minus, this becomes minus, this becomes minus 368 plus 368 minus, cancel them. Understood? Now 1440 minus 720. What you have to do? Subtract it. 1440 minus 720, 0. Here it is 2. Borrow 1, that is 7. That means here it is greater number is having plus sign. So it is 720b is equal to 24 minus 15, 9. Okay. Now here it is 720, you have to divide it by 9. 9 ones are 8 are, and 0 is here. That means 80b is equal to 1. So therefore, what is your b value? B value is 1 by 80. Now we have to substitute for b. What is b? What you have taken as b? What you have taken as b? B is 1 by y. That means substitute for b here. 1 by y is equal to 1 by 80. Okay, what you have to do? Next step, taking reciprocal. Therefore, taking reciprocals, that means both sides. Y is equal to 80 kilometer per hour. This is what is our first answer. What is y? Actually, y means bus. So we got the answer. The speed of bus is 80 km per hour. Now what I do here? Substitute for b in any one of the equation, either this or this. Find a, then substitute for a, then find what is x. So what I do? Note these points. I will rub this part, then go further. Note this point, please. Okay, see here. Now what I do? B value will substitute for in one of the equation. I will take this, any one of the equation you can take it, B value, this only I will take, right? Okay. So 15, any equation you can take. 15a plus 60b is equal to 1. 15a plus 60 into, what is b? 1 by 80. That means here it is 1 divided by 80 is equal to 1. 0, 0 cancelled. 2 4s are, 2 3s are. That means here 15a plus 3 into 1, that is 3 by 4 is equal to 1. Send this 3 by 4 to right hand side. That means here, or you can even go for LCM. Anything is okay. So 15a is equal to 1 is here, send this to right hand side, the minus it becomes 3 by 4. Now here LCM is 4, that means 1s are. So 1 into 4, 4 into 1. That means here it is 15a is equal to 4, no, 1 into 4, that means 4 into 1 is 4, minus 3 divided by your LCM 4. That means here final value will be 15a is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1 by 4. Now bring this 15 to down because we want to find what is a value. Understood? Now here it is a. Let me rub off this also now. Okay? I'll rub this part also. Is it clear? Okay, I'll rub this see. Okay, see here. Now continuation here. 15a is equal to 1 by 4. This part is not there. This is the first part only. Here it is 15a. Therefore, a is equal to 1 by 4 into 15. This 15 has come down. That means a is equal to 1 divided by 15 4s are 60. Now what is your a? A means 1 by x. That means 1 by x is equal to 1 by 60. Now taking reciprocals. X is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. That means this is your second answer. You just counter check what is y and what is x actually, right? So x means 60 km per hour, our answer. Y means 80 kilometers per hour. I think so. This is by train and this is the speed of bus. Make a point means note this. Here completes the pair of linear equations in two variables. Now what you do? I'll tell you. See, one fine day after some days after the assignment, what I do is I will start giving homework for graph. Every day one sum I will send to you people. You please purchase the graph book. If you are not purchased, already purchased is well and good. If you are not purchased, purchase the graph book of a thicker one, nearly about 80 pages or 100, so that all the extra sums, nearly about 50 sums, more than that also is there, all can be accommodated in one particular graph book. Therefore, in that graph book, you have to do the extra sums which I will be sending to you people. That is again homework for you. Is it clear? Please listen carefully. Then do accordingly. Note this. Then I'll go for triangles. Next chapter will be triangles. First I'll do all the theorems first, so that I can include one more homework for you people. You will be perfect in triangle, that is theorems. Understood? Okay, fine. Please make a note of it.